once your bruschetta is plated, you could also add some extra fresh Parmesan cheese, and all you do is just grate some right over top. There you go, enjoy.
So join me for some quick, simple dishes using tools in your kitchen. So if you have a passion for cooking or just starting out, stay with me for 10 minutes and we can definitely get inspired.
Today we're making bruschetta. For this appetizer, you will need 6 to 8 Roma tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, fresh basil, fresh Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Okay, so we're going to start by dicing your tomatoes. And you don't want to make them too thick. This makes such a nice appetizer. It complements any meal. Mince your garlic. You want to get it as fine as you can. You can use a knife, you can use a garlic presser just to make it very fine. Chop your basil, and you could use a fair amount. I like to use a lot of basil, just brings out the flavors. Roll it and it'll just work fine. Add in 2 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. And then you're going to add about 1/2 cup of olive oil. There we go, and of course salt to taste. You could add anything you like in this bruschetta. I like to keep it simple and just use Parmesan cheese and basil, garlic, and olive oil. Just give it a nice mix. You can make this the night before. You could let it sit and it'll get all the flavors soaked right in, or you can make it the same day, whatever you have time for. I think it's all ready. So now your bruschetta mixture is ready. You're going to get a baguette and you're going to slice it lengthwise. About a 1/2 inch thick. And you're going to place it on your tray. You can put them really close together, that's fine. There we go, I think that's good. Perfect. So once your bread is sliced, you're going to top it with your bruschetta mixture. You're going to just scoop it right on to your bread. Top your bread with tomato mixture and just fill it all up. Sometimes, little pieces fall, but that's okay. This is such a nice appetizer that you're sure to please everyone, that's for sure. It's one of our favorites at home. You could use any bread you like if you want to use. I'm using baguette, but you could use whatever you like, whatever you have on hand. It smells so good with the garlic and the basil. And you must, in my opinion, must use fresh basil. There we go. And if you need a few more pieces, just go over and put some more where needed. Now I'm going to top it off with some fresh mozzarella. You could use any mozzarella of your choice, but I'm not going to put a whole lot, just a few pieces here and there. It just gives it a extra flavor and also holds everything together. Just looks beautiful. Almost finished. Then once you're done, you're going to pop it in the oven and toast it for about 12 minutes or so, 12 to 15 minutes. There you go. Bruschetta is ready to go in the oven. There we go. There you go, and they're ready. Okay, so your bruschetta is ready. So it smells delicious. I wish you could smell it, but you know what? I'm sure that once you make it, you're going to enjoy it as well. So I've put it on, I'm going to put it on this dish, and just to kind of make it a little bit more fancier. There we go. Once you toast your baguette, it becomes a bit softer and crunchier, so not to worry. Perfect. There you have it, bruschetta. Also, once your bruschetta is plated, you could also add some extra fresh Parmesan cheese, and all you do is just grate some right over top. There you go. Enjoy.
If you enjoyed this video, press the like and subscribe button and leave your comments to let me know what you'd like to see next.